everyone, welcome back to another episode of Coffee Talk in the era of artificial intelligence. This is your host Zainab Iman, and our today's discussion will be about the future of artificial intelligence. We have our visionary leader with us, Mr. Faisal Kazmi, the CEO of Rev9 Solutions. Faisal, how are you doing?
I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. How are you?
I'm doing good as well. Okay, so as we know that AI has a great influence on our daily lives these days, and we are seeing a lot of AI-driven projects even in our company right now. So, as a tech leader, as our CEO, as a visionary leader, you have dealt with a lot of projects like these.
Yes.
So, I would like to discuss with you that what do you think about AI when you are what do you imagine about it when you think of the future?
When I think of the future and the AI implications in the future, sometimes it gives me very good vibes because artificial intelligence is producing a lot better results than the human, and we have a lot of that can outperform a human capability in a very effective way. And this is a very positive side of artificial intelligence, that it has helped a lot of businesses to streamline their processes. But there is also some negative points, because each technology evaluation has its positive and negative effects as well. So it can be dangerous as well in some cases, but we have to focus on, and the industrial leaders have to focus on, to generate the positive results and make the positive contributions into the development of the AI.
Yes, I agree to that very much. Moving onward, I would also like to discuss that as we know that for every problem we have a solution, right?
Yes.
Currently, all the businesses are trying to get AI into their softwares, all the applications that they are creating. The reason is that they want to improvise their solutions. They
Yes.
want to add creativeness to it, add productiveness to it. So to automate their projects, they are adding AI, and Rev9 is also contributing to this. So currently, how do you think that Rev9 and the projects that we are creating is contributing to the people's ideas?
Nowadays, everyone is focusing on the innovations, specifically into artificial intelligence and machine learning. And each and every business person, each and every business leader, they are looking for the AI services, or they want to provide the AI services. So everyone who is looking for the AI services, they first need to identify either this AI that they want to integrate into their current processes will enhance their efficiency, and it will be budget effective, because these two perspectives are very important. First, you need to have more accurate results, because you are doing automations with the integrations of artificial intelligence. These are two different things. Automations means to trigger something to have input and then give output. So triggering something is called the automation, and giving some inputs and getting some specific outputs is what artificial intelligence does. So you need to first identify that the automations and the artificial intelligence that you want to integrate into your system, it gives the positive results as well as it's budget friendly. Because if it is not producing the accurate results, as some person is doing the same thing, and the person is budget effective, it's getting less, it's using less budget, and it's producing more efficient results, then there is no meaning of replacing that human with artificial intelligence, with the integration of artificial intelligence, obviously. And if you can do that, if you can identify the specific places that can be automated by utilizing artificial intelligence, then that's a good thing. And the second thing is, the people who are providing or who are offering artificial intelligence services, or the companies, they need to understand different businesses and their scenarios first. They need to have the clear understanding of how automation works, how artificial intelligence works, what business AI models we have available into the market, how we can utilize or combine these technologies, innovate new products that can make better optimization of their processes, of someone's processes. A lot of customers comes to us and they just give us an idea of implementation of artificial intelligence, but usually most of the time they are not sure how it will affect their business or how it will affect their processes. So it's important to know that how it can improve a business. Also, it all depends on the in the industry leaders or the business owners. If they cannot understand the concept of artificial intelligence, they just know the word, because most of the people, they just know the words
Yes, exactly.
of artificial intelligence. They want to implement it, they don't know how it will help us. So they just need to talk the specialist who is first identify the areas where it can be implemented and propose the right solution for them. That's what we do.
Yeah, I think that's very insightful because yes, people do mix up automation and artificial intelligence. I think they think it's one thing. Even I thought that it's one thing, but when you told me about it, I realized that okay, these are two different things actually.
Exactly. If we talk about how we are also providing services in artificial, if someone comes to us and they are seeking for AI services, first we talk to them. We first understand their businesses. First we understand their processes, and we try to understand completely how they are working, what they are doing, and how it can be optimized, or where we can use artificial intelligence to enhance their operations efficiency. Then we have a research team, and the research team do all the R&D, identify the core processes, and then identify if these can be replaced by the AI, or these can only be replaced by doing some simple automations, because sometimes people just need automations, they don't need artificial intelligence. They just want to integrate a couple of APIs that can be integrated into the system, and they can generate even better results instead of putting a lot of budgets, a lot of resources and time to doing the same thing. So the first thing is to understand these, and then our team identifies what are the things that can be automated, the process that can be automated, and where AI models can be implemented. So if there is no need, we just tell the customers that you don't need an AI model. You can do it by simply doing API integration. Instead of putting a lot of budget and the resources, you can just do it by a couple of APIs. But sometime the people comes to us and they thinks that the idea they have, it can be easily implemented using the API, but actually it's not that simple, because sometimes ideas are complicated. It requires fine tuning of AI models, it requires specific AI, it requires specific knowledge basis for that. So they also need to provide us all the training materials and the data, so that we can train the AI models as per their requirements. So in both cases, we just do all the R&D ourselves, and then we document everything, and then we represent it that this is the process that can be automated, this is the AI model that can be implemented into your system, and this will how it will benefit you. Like this is the budget requirement for this one, this will cost you this much, and this will generate these type of results.
Yes, I agree to that. I've also realized that people use AI as a fancy decoration, as if it's just going to automate things and it's going to look very good to their customers and they're going to be very happy. But there is more to it. I've also seen this that the models take a lot of time to train and we have to collect a lot of data set. It's not just a small thing to do. So I agree to you about that as well. Moving forward, I would also like to see what Rev9 has regarding AI, what kind of products we have worked on.
We have been working on a lot of products, and we have also delivered a lot of products that that produce very effective results in some specific business industries. For example, we are working in the medical industry, and it help identify the potential diseases by utilizing the medical records of the patients. Another project we have is the most popular one is regarding debt collection using voice calling. So we have this AI model that works with the help of automations and with different speech to text, text to speech, and LLM. They just makes calls and talk to the customers and discuss their debt collection information, and updates the records into the database. We have another project. It is used for marketing automations. So it just have all the triggers and configurations you can set up in your business. And if you get emails, you can send email campaigns. And if you get response on specific emails, the AI model sends the positive responses to that and send to the customer, instead of a real person who look at the email and then write the responses. It is all done by our AI product that we have. We have also transcription models and the products that works on the concept of transcription, and then utilize that data to generate more valuable results. There are a lot more projects that we have. Uh, some are related to archaeology, some are related uh, to the marketing, some are related to the podcast recording, and these type of industries that we are targeting.
It's exciting to hear that Rev9 has a very vast domain, and it's working using AI in different with different perspectives. It's very good to hear about that. But I think that with AI comes challenges. So I think there would be a lot of hurdles that you must be facing as well. So would you like to share something about that
Yeah,
processes?
when it comes to artificial intelligence, there are a lot of hurdles and there are a lot of challenges, as every technology evaluation requires. The most important thing is the infrastructure support. Right now, the AI models that we have, even some models has 400 billion plus parameters, and it requires a lot of processing power to generate the valuable results. So it requires the infrastructure that supports this kind of models to perform. Also, it is so expensive to operate these type of AI models, and the current devices are not powerful enough to have on device AI models and to generate more efficient results. There are many other things. If we talk about other than the infrastructure or the technicalities, it is so hard to do the testing, because for the AI model testing you require real life examples to test the results. Like many companies, they open source or maybe they freeware their software so that people can use it and give us the feedback, and then they can make the better fine tuning of the AI models. It is so difficult to identify and to get the feedback from the customers because it has to be tested in the real life, in the real time. Another challenge is that to collect the data, because you need to have the right data to train your AI models. Because if you give any wrong information, it will start producing wrong results, and you even don't know what your AI model is doing, and you cannot even stop it. Because, for example, if I tell you, if you have a conversational model and your conversational model has something in any parameter, there is something that is wrong, that has some incorrect information, and the model is talking to your customer and it start behaving very strange, because it's just AI model. It cannot think like the human thinks. It just produce the results based on the records that they have. So these are the hurdles, like doing the fine tuning, generating more accurate results to get the real information from that. Uh, So, but companies, and we are working on that to make the better results from it.
That's very good to hear. I've also seen things like you're right that sometimes when we are asking questions from AI, it can give us wrong answers. So I believe the source matters as well. And also for the data collection, I'm as you mentioned that we have projects for medical healthcare and in archaeology. So I wonder how are we collecting those um, information and everything. It's hard to do thing because it's not our exact domain. But I understand that it's a difficult task, but I am glad that our company is doing that. Okay, so what's the one thing that you would like our listeners to remember about the future of AI?
uh, Nowadays everyone is so much concerned that the AI will replace us. So it's not 100% true. It's not totally going to replace the humans. It's like a collaborator. So everyone should think AI as their collaborators. And another most important prospect, everyone wants to do the courses of AI. This is not how AI works. You cannot do it by doing some courses, because what you are going to learn, you are not going to produce or develop an AI models yourself. You are just going to use what other companies are doing, because it requires, like told you, it requires a lot of resources, a lot of research to develop an AI model. So there is no AI learning. You cannot develop AI. So you can learn to integrate it into your systems, but still, if we talk about the CS community and computer science community, everyone is curious about learning AI. But if one person is doing AI integrations, there are three persons who are integrating that AI models, and they are the backend developers, they are front end developers, they are UI engineers. So this AI is not replacing these people jobs, because AI is doing what it is built for. It is helping other engineers to do the better development, better coding, generate better results, but still we require creative people to do their job. It cannot produce as creative results as human can do. So people should consider it as a collaborator. They should, instead of doing AI courses, they should learn how to use AI to improve their domain or improve their own work efficiency. So don't waste time on doing some short courses, because AI is not something that you can learn in a short course. You need to have a basic understanding of that, how it works, but you need to focus on your domain, what you are working on, what you are best at, and think about working on creative things.
That was a very productive conversation with you, Faisal. Thank you very much for your time. Thanks to all of our listeners for tuning into Coffee Talk. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your network. Until next time, keep dreaming big and innovative.